Today, we're going to be making s'mores, chocolate, graham cracker, all with marshmallow. Absolute goodness. Go ahead and play swords if you want to. Play swords. Who will win? Everyone wins when you're eating s'mores. After the marshmallow is melted and heated and toasted, you place it on top of the chocolate with the graham cracker, and then get the other piece of graham cracker and place it on top. Look at it ooze out. Absolute goodness. Look at it. Melted s'mores, graham cracker, chocolate. Absolute goodness. Slow motion. Eating these s'mores. The crumbs falling from your mouth. The marshmallow dripping out. Chocolate. Graham cracker. Marshmallow. Chewing. Absolute goodness if you ask me. Absolute goodness.